Hi guys, just wanted to quickly hop on and share these grab bars. As an occupational therapist, this is actually a product that I recommend to people all the time. I recommend it to people who just need a little extra stability and support in the bathroom. One thing I absolutely love and I think that you would appreciate is how super simple they are to install. No tools, no drills, no screws, nothing like that. You're just gonna attach it to a smooth, clean surface. You're going to lock the latches and you are ready to go. It has this nice textured handle and it really provides a nice secure grip even when your hands are wet. And it really does help provide stability when you're getting in and out of the tub. It could be positioned in any direction you choose. I say just make sure it's not on these grooves. So it can go this way horizontally. It could be placed more at a diagonal or horizontal. It feels so secure. This thing is not going anywhere, but look how easy they are to remove. You just go ahead and unlock it. And then there's these little tabs here. You're gonna go ahead and pull them off, and it comes right off. So if you rent, it's perfect. If you need to take them, if you're spending a night out, they're perfect. I would say before using, always make sure you go ahead and clean that surface and test it out. Make sure it's nice and secure before using it. And I absolutely love the fact that they actually come with two, so you can put them wherever you need, on whatever wall you need them on, or you can just save one to travel with you. So if you're looking for an easy way to add a little extra bathroom safety, I would definitely give these a try.